Yep, there it is. What a beast.
Look at the pin set up. Look at that.
Jesus.
Well, it could do with a good greaser.
Yep.
These are all looking good, though. Look at that. Oh, there's a bit of damage there. Look. Look at that. Now, look, all of those are moving freely.
Nice.
Like that. Get shot in there. Put down into that. Don't know what they do.
Find out.
We could just about track that back now though. Oh, this one looks like it's for that foot.
Oh, yep.
Look at that.
Yep.
So that one must be for that foot, but I don't know the rest.
Yeah.
Because
Oh, well.
how many rams? 1, 2. So that must run one
Yep.
ram.
Yep.
That one must run that ram. I'm only guessing though. That one for that one.
Yep.
Oh,
Is there a tilt
and look,
one?
it's side by side.
Oh, yeah, so that tilts around.
Yeah,
Nice.
look at that. I can't wait to get it going.
Okay, so you just hook that on your PTO. That spins a pump.
Oh, hang on, what's going on there?
Oh yeah, that bearing shot. So you might just have to unbolt these and take that off, I suppose.
It looks like he's welded that on too.
Yeah.
That'll never come off there.
Makes it a bit harder for maintenance, doesn't it?
We'll take it off and take it with us.
Yeah, good idea. Yeah.
That off there first.
It's not too bad.
It's not too bad, but yeah, it's pretty dry. Get that one off there.
That's tight, isn't it?
Use your hand like a hammer. We could bypass that and actually stick a motor on. That would be far more usable.
Yeah, yeah. Sounds good.
There's a good size spider. Yeah. Oh, where'd you go?
Well, how many horsepower do you reckon it would take to run it?
I reckon 2.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, because if you look at that, oh, actually, that'll tell you there of what it's.
It's got a number, I can't see any. We'll look that up later.
Alright, that's bugging in there.
Oh yeah.
So we'll have to try and pull that out of there. That way. No. Just, that's got really hot. It's almost cooked the grease. Like that.
Yeah, yeah.
So we have to dig that out, and hopefully this will still be alright. Just got to get it just enough. Right. those out,
Yeah.
just like that.
That's cool.
Where's the wee hole? Where's the...
Must be in the groove, is it?
Oh, it must be coming out of here somewhere. Look at that. Doesn't even have a...
Must have.
Let me have a look. The hell?
Just for looks.
Okay. Well, if I'm going to use that one again, I'll have to drill a wee hole through it.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll clean it up and have a look. Because it could, maybe it's been machined somehow and it comes out somewhere else, but how the hell did they make that? You'd think that would be right at the top.
Yeah.
P72. Okay, let's not go in there very nice.
Bit of oil or something.
Nearly wanted to go.
Heat it up on your exhaust.
Hey, that could work. Right, this one to expand. Right.
Alright, so
Oh, look at that.
so we use the brake cleaner there just to cool down the bearing and the heat from the exhaust to expand the housing, and it was enough to get it in.
All right. See, that's bent.
Right.
See that?
Yeah.
So it's just going to have to be.
You can see the
Oh,
chains
wow.
hugging this side,
So it needs
almost,
to go
yeah.
almost like that, doesn't it?
Yep, a mil or two.
Okay.
I'm going to use the iometer.
Well, we are in the middle of nowhere, so. And see how that goes. Lovely. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Love that. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. It's not coming out these other ones though.
No.
Oh yeah, no, it's coming out that one just.
Yep.
Just keep going and see what happens. Oh yeah, there we go.
Sweet.
That'll make it easier to slide in and out. Get up now. Oh no. There we go. Boy, that's under some pressure. Oof, prickles. Gorse is our friend.
May the gorse be with you.
Yeah.
Don't use your hand as a hammer.
No. No, you're right. And it's a hard habit to get out of.
Yeah.
Especially at my age.
Yeah.
You know.
I reckon
Early
just-
30s.
It toughens you up, I reckon. Gets you used, you know.
Toughens you up.
Yeah.
Boy.
Must be dry.
Okay. There might be a whole tube of... That sounded like it did something.
Yep.
Alright, yep, sweet. Yep.
Not fair, chicken.
Well, just one more.
Yep, turning on it now. Turning on it.
Okay. How do you get down? Safety first. What sort of knot? One people are going to laugh at for centuries to come, or
If in doubt, just do another knot.
lots of knots?
Yeah. We're still nice and free here. Nothing bound up.
And this is working really well. I mean, it's
Yeah. So I mean, this is bent too. I can see it going whoop, 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 whoop. But yeah, I think it'll be alright.
it is what it is.
It's pretty low speed, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, we had that going on an angle like that.
Yeah, yeah.
It was rather exciting. Oh yeah! That's still alright?
Yeah, looks good.
Now. Oh, side to side.
Oh,
What the hell?
you good? Few more ribs.
Yep. one movement at a time.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Because if you do two, oh, all these open.
Yeah.
It doesn't do anything.
Right. Seems to work alright. Oh well.
Well, it lives.
Yeah.
How did that look when that was spinning?
Pretty lethal. Oh yeah, you can see it shimmering a wee bit. This one here was going.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh well. You know, when it hung over the edge there, it felt like it was going to go.
That'd go viral.
Yep, I just about lost my breakfast.
Yes.
But, you know, look at this. You'd have to number all of this.
Mm.
You know, that's pretty self-explanatory, but certainly is, I was just getting so confused.
I guess a few hours use and you'd be getting used to it though, eh?
Yeah, but imagine going off something like this and then back onto a digger.
Yeah.
Mental.
Yeah.
But, oh, should we go and have a cup of coffee?
Yeah, sounds good.